Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Yeah, so basically I'm going to show how to rename a bunch of files without using CMD or Python. First go to the folder, obviously. As you can see, the files are not in order. To change this, scroll down to the last file and select it. Then scroll back up to the top and select the first file while pressing the shift key. Now right click and rename. Now type any alphabet. I'm using A as an example. Uh, as you can see, it's in order, but there is an A in front of every number. To fix this, repeat as shown in the video. Now click rename and remove the letter A and press enter. Thus, you can get your files in ascending order. Thanks for watching.